Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel, Talk Smart English 3. I am your host, Laiba, and I am very happy to have you here today. Today, we are going to talk about a very useful and simple topic: morning routine to improve your English. Many people want to learn English, but they do not know where to start. Some people feel confused, some feel lazy, and some people say, "I don't have time." But the truth is, you do not need a lot of time. You just need a simple and smart routine, especially in the morning. Morning is a very powerful time. Your mind is fresh, your brain is active, and you can learn faster. If you use your morning in the right way, you can improve your English step by step every day. In this episode, I will share a simple morning routine that you can follow easily. These steps are easy, practical, and perfect for English learners. So, if you want to speak better, understand more, and feel confident in English, this episode is for you. Let's get started. Now let's talk about a very common problem. Many people want to improve their English, but they do not know how to start their day. In the morning, they wake up, check their phone, scroll social media, and waste a lot of time. After some time, they feel tired or lazy, and then they say, "I will practice English later." But later never comes. Some learners also feel confused. They ask, "What should I do first? Listening, speaking, reading?" Because of this confusion, they do nothing. Another problem is inconsistency. Some people practice English for 1 or 2 days, and then they stop for many days. Also, many learners only watch videos. They listen, but they do not speak. They understand a little, but they cannot use English in real life. And sometimes people try to do too much. They try to learn many words, grammar, and speaking all at once. This makes them tired and stressed. So the problem is not that you cannot learn English. The real problem is no clear routine, no daily habit, and no simple plan. But don't worry. In the next part, I will show you how morning time can help you solve all these problems. Let's move to the next section. Now let's understand why morning is the best time to improve your English. Morning is a very special time of the day. When you wake up, your brain is fresh and relaxed. It is not full of stress or too many thoughts. Because of this, your mind can learn new things faster and better. In the morning, there are also fewer distractions. There is less noise, fewer messages, less social media. This helps you focus more on your learning. Another important point is energy. In the morning, your energy level is high. You feel more active and ready to do something new. When you use this energy to learn English, you can understand more and remember more. Morning practice also helps you build a strong habit. When you do something every morning, it becomes a part of your daily life. For example, just like brushing your teeth, your English practice can also become a daily habit. And when you practice every day, even for a short time, you will see real improvement. So you don't need many hours. You just need the right time, and morning is the perfect time. In the next part, I will give you a simple overview of your morning routine. Let's move forward. Now let's look at a simple overview of your morning routine. Don't worry, this routine is very easy. You do not need many hours. You just need about 15 to 20 minutes every morning. Yes, only 15 to 20 minutes can make a big difference. This routine has a few simple steps. Each step helps you improve a different part of your English. First, you will start your day with simple thinking in English. This will train your mind to use English naturally. Second, you will listen to English. This helps you understand pronunciation and improve your listening skills. Third, you will practice speaking. You will talk to yourself in simple sentences. Fourth, you will learn a few new words. Not too many, just a few words every day. Fifth, you will read something short and easy. This will improve your reading and sentence understanding. And finally, you will write a few simple sentences. This helps you remember what you learn. So this routine includes thinking, listening, speaking, learning words, reading, writing, all in a simple and short time. You do not need pressure. You just need to follow these steps every day. In the next section, I will explain each step one by one in detail. Let's begin with the first step. Now let's move to the most important part of this episode, your step-by-step morning routine to improve your English. These steps are very simple. You can follow them every day without stress. Step 1, wake up and positive start. 1 minute. When you wake up, do not check your phone first. Take a deep breath and start thinking in English. Say simple sentences in your mind like, "Good morning. Today is a new day. I will practice English today." This small habit trains your brain to think in English. It is a very powerful start. Step 2, listen to English, 1 to 1.5 minutes. Now, listen to something in English. It can be a short podcast, a video, or simple audio. Do not worry if you don't understand everything. Just listen carefully. Focus on the sound, the words, and the pronunciation. This step helps your ears get used to English. Step 3, speak practice, 1 to 1.5 minutes. Now it's time to speak. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, it may feel strange, but it works. You can say, "I am brushing my teeth. I am drinking water. I am getting ready for my day." Use simple sentences. The goal is to speak, not to be perfect. Step 4, learn new words, 1 minute. Now learn 3 to 5 new words. Do not try to learn too many words. Just a few words every day is enough. For example, word, happy. I feel happy today. Word, learn. I want to learn English. Always use new words and sentences. This helps you remember them. Step 5, read something simple, 1 minute. Now read a short and easy text. It can be a small story, a message, or a simple paragraph. Read slowly and clearly. Try to understand the meaning. If you see a new word, don't worry. Just try to guess the meaning. Step 6, write a little, 1 minute. Finally, write a few simple sentences. You can write about your morning or your plan for the day. For example, today I will study English. I will practice speaking. I feel motivated today. Writing helps you remember what you learn. So this is your complete morning routine. Simple, short, and very effective. If you follow these steps every day, you will slowly see improvement in your English. In the next part, I will share some useful tips for better results. Let's continue. Now let's talk about some simple tips to get better results from your morning routine. The first and most important tip is consistency. You need to practice every day, even if it is only for 15 minutes. Small daily practice is more powerful than long practice once a week. The second tip is keep it simple. Do not try to do too many things at the same time. Follow the routine step by step. Simple learning is more effective. The third tip is do not be afraid of mistakes. Making mistakes is a normal part of learning. When you speak or write, you may make errors, and that is okay. This is how you improve. The fourth tip is repeat again and again. Repetition helps your brain remember words and sentences. If you learn something today, try to use it again tomorrow. Another useful tip is focus on practice, not perfection. Do not wait to become perfect. Just start speaking and using English every day. And one more important thing, enjoy your learning. If you enjoy the process, you will not feel bored or tired. So remember, be consistent, keep it simple, accept mistakes, repeat daily, and enjoy learning. In the next section, we will talk about some common mistakes you should avoid. Let's move ahead. Now let's talk about some common mistakes that many English learners make. The first mistake is trying to do too much at once. Some learners try to learn grammar, vocabulary, speaking, and writing all at the same time. This can make you feel tired and confused. Keep your routine simple and short. The second mistake is not being consistent. You practice for 1 or 2 days, and then you stop. This breaks your progress. Remember, daily practice is the key. The third mistake is only listening and not speaking. Many people watch videos and listen to English, but they do not practice speaking. If you do not speak, you cannot improve your speaking skills. The fourth mistake is fear of making mistakes. Some learners feel shy or afraid. They think, what if I say something wrong? But mistakes are part of learning. You should not stop because of fear. Another mistake is depending too much on translation. Trying to translate every word into your language can slow you down. Try to think directly in English, so avoid these mistakes. Do not do too much. Do not skip days. Do not stay silent, and do not fear mistakes. In the next part, I will share some motivation and real-life advice for you. Let's continue. Now let's talk about motivation and some real-life advice. Learning English is a journey. It takes time, patience, and daily effort. But here's the good news. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Always remember, small steps bring big results. If you practice a little every morning, you will slowly see a big change in your English. Do not compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Focus on your own progress. Some days you may feel tired or not motivated. That is normal. On those days, just do a small practice. Even 5 minutes is better than doing nothing. Also, try to use English in your real life. Speak simple sentences during your day. Think in English when you are alone. Make English a part of your daily life, not just a subject. And most important, believe in yourself. You can learn English. You can improve. You just need to keep going. In the final part, we will quickly review everything and close the episode. Let's finish strong. Now let's quickly review what we learned today. We talked about a simple and effective morning routine to improve your English. You learned how to start your day with thinking in English, then listening, speaking, learning new words, reading, and writing. These steps are easy and take only a short time, but if you do them every day, they can bring great results. Remember, you do not need to be perfect. You just need to practice daily and stay consistent. Start tomorrow morning. Follow this routine step by step, and slowly you will see your English improve. Thank you so much for listening. This is your host, Laiba, from Talk Smart English 3. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Keep practicing, keep learning, and stay confident. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.